alaikum to everyone. My name is Rahma Mas. I study in class 4. Today I am here to tell you about importance of education and its objective. हो इन तो फिर क्या नहीं, इम्कान में तुम्हारी, तुम चाहो तो जंगल को भी गुलजार बना दो। काटो मुझे हालत के अलग काट के फेंको, तुम इल्म के फूलों से नया बाग खिला दो। खुद भी पढ़ो, बनने के लिए आलिम कामिल, अनपढ़ कोई मिल जाए तो उसको भी पढ़ा दो। Ladies and gentlemen, I stand here today to put across my views about importance of education and its objective. Our Prophet, peace be upon him, says, I was only sent to perfect good character. Today we forgot the teaching of our beloved Prophet, therefore we see corruptions everywhere. Even our education system lost its objective. Today education is considered a tool to earn money only. Schools, colleges, universities are known today for teaching science, maths, commerce, economy, history and computer. But this world doesn't need a school that produce doctors, engineers, chartered accountants, but fail to inculcate manners in them, fail to instill honesty in them, even fail to make them confident individuals. Once a British asked Swami Vivekananda, why you don't wear good clothes to look like a gentleman with a smile on face? Swami Vivekananda replied, in your culture, a tailor makes a gentleman, but in our culture, a character makes a gentleman. Millions of parents raise their children early in the morning and send them to school, hoping to see them become doctors, engineers, IAS officers, and so on. Their expectations put a lot of pressure on their children, and during the course of their education, students tend to forget the real purpose of education. Ladies and gentlemen, educated is more the person who lives lavish life and turns a blind eye to his neighbor with no concern if they are going to sleep empty stomach. Let me remind you, educated is the person who may even give up his job if required and turn to his parents and serve when they are bedridden and need proper care. Educated is the person who exhibits patience even in the time of hardship. Educated is the person who develops the habits of forgiving people despite knowing that they are wrong and guilty. It's not possible only for a school to instill good character in children, but it is a prime responsibility of parents and societies to provide such an environment in children. As they grow up learning all the values from their lifestyle, I wrap up my speech with a couplet of an Urdu poet. Allah se करे दूर तो तालीम भी फितना, इमलाक भी औलाद भी जागीर भी फितना, नाहक के लिए उठे तो शमशीर भी फितना, शमशीरी के नारा तकबीर भी फितना. Thank you so much.